Hi guys, this is the reading of our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. If you want a personal reading guys, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account and then ask my admin team for the price of the personal reading. At yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys. Okay? Yan. Then, proceed na po tayo. Tignan natin kung ano meron sa ating mga air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Anong meron sa ating mga air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Ayan. Seven of Wands. Okay. Seven of Wands. Page of Swords. Okay. Judgment, Justice, Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Judgment and the Justice card. Some of you guys, okay, is fighting for a court case, okay, with the Justice card, na makakatanggap ka na ng balita at i-grant ni Universe ang iyong pagkapanalo dahil you really meant to be to win this case, okay? And then I have here the Six of Wands. Oy, taya kayo sa loto or sa wedding ha. Pag lumalabas po kasi ang ating Six of Wands, ito is about public reward, okay? So, pwede siyang pagtaya sa loto, gambling, ganyan, casino, ganyan, wedding, okay? And then I have here the Ten of Pentacles and the Four of Cups and the Four of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Puro Pentacles ulit si Gemini. Okay. Oy, si Gemini. Yeah, you may be dealing with the Gemini. The same element like you. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Or you may be dealing with the fire sign, Aries, Leon, Sagittarius. And then I am also having here I am seeing the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay? Okay. Yeah, some of you will gonna win this case na kasalukuyan ngayon na pinag-aaralan pa ng korte. Okay? Kung hindi naman korte, this might be in the municipality, pwedeng sa barangay, ganyan, sa barangay hall, may agreement na kung saan papabor sa'yo yung ating mga kinauukulan, okay, with the Eight of Pentacles. And then, I am seeing here na parang nakikipag-deal ka sa isang, or you might be having a tattoo, okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita dito, may tattoo. Ito siya, oh. Pumukaw lang din ng aking pansin, okay? And then, I'm having a weird feeling here, guys, na etong si Eight of Pentacles is also manifesting na manalo siya. Pwedeng ikaw to, energy mo to, pwedeng yung kadil mo, okay? Pwedeng yung kalaban mo sa korte or sa barangay, ganyan. Kasi meron ng balita na matatanggap po. At didinggin ka talaga ni Universe, okay? And then I have here the Page of Swords, and then the Seven of Wands. You're trying to build a strength here. Nagpapakatatag ka eh. Okay, kasi dito yung Page of Swords natin na talagang inilaban mo to, itong problema na to, itong sitwasyon na to, talagang anong tawag dito? Pinangatawanan mo. Okay? Talagang hindi, gumastos ka rin eh, with the Pentacles here. Okay? At meron din ako nakikita dito na may magsa-celebrate talaga. Okay? So, some of you will gonna win this case with the Six of Wands. This is a public reward, okay? Ayan o, this is a public reward. And then, sabi ko nga, may chance din kayo. Yan, sorry guys. May chance din kayo na manalo sa loto, sa wedding, sa casino, sa gambling, something like that. Okay? O po pwedeng iba sa inyo tumama na. Okay? And then, andito rin talaga yung celebration. Malaking pera talaga ito na darating sa'yo. Okay, may celebration at meron din lilipat ng bagong bahay, may makakabili ng bagong bahay, okay? Or kumbaga makukuha na niya yung parte niya na para sa kanya talaga with this court case, with the justice card. Okay, kasi matagal ka na nagtitiis kasi binabalanse mo, kumbaga talagang lumaban ka eh. Okay. And then I have here the Four of Cups. Yeah. The boredom. May naboboard. Okay. Pero may parang kulang kasi may hindi kontento. Siguro ito nga yun. Ito nga yun, yung energy na hinihintay mo. Ito yung balita na yun. Okay. Yeah. With the Wheel of Fortune, no? Yung pinakadulo na baraha mo. Kita mo yan? Yeah, you're gonna win. The destiny will be yours. Okay, this is your time to shine. Oh my God, this is your time to shine. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? Kung hindi naman din to court case, guys, possible din na meron kang pinaglalaban sa buhay mo with Seven of Wands. Okay, meron kang pilit na itinataguyod na pamilya with the Ten of Pentacles here, na kung saan magbabago na lahat din. At kung saan din na kumbaga ito na yung outcome ng iyong pagtitiis. Kumbaga didinggin na rin ni universe. Okay? Kasi ang tagal mo nang nagwi-wish sa kanya. Ha? And then, I am also have a feeling here na kung sino man yung umagrabyado sa'yo, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, is probably having their karma right now. Okay, with the Justice card here, kita mo to? This is also a karma. Kung sino man yung nanloko sa inyo, umagrabyado, umiwan, ganyan, ng scam, okay? It will be already serving right now. Not it will be pala. Not it will be. It is serving right now. This justice card is already serving right now for what is really meant for this person na matanggap niya. Okay? He or she right now or them is facing their karmic shadow experience. Okay? Kung ito na yung kabayaran nung ginawa nila sa iyo air sign before. Okay, nararanasan na nila ngayon. Okay? Kaya nandito yung ating Six of Wands na kung saan mananalo ka. Kasi ibibigay ni universe with the Wheel of Fortune ang nararapat na para sa'yo at ang gantimpala na para sa'yo sa lahat ng pagtitiis mo, sa pagtsatsaga mo. Okay? Sa sa pagtitimpi mo. Okay? And then yun lang guys. Oh wait, I have here from the bottom of your deck is the Knights of Swords. Okay. Guys, this is a what we call this. This is a aggravate energy, aggressiveness, impulsive energy, okay? Kung ano man yung iniisip mo na gawin ng wala mo nang pinag-isipan, hindi mo na pinag-aralan, pag-aralan mo muna maigi, okay? Pag-aralan mo munang maigi, guys, okay? Kasi pwede kang mag-fail with that, okay? You need to go with the flow. Leave it up to universe kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa buhay mo. Just let the universe play its role for you. Okay, kasi may matatanggap ka talaga magandang balita at ito yung ikakasaya. Okay, pag-aralan mo muna talaga maigi with the Eight of Pentacles din and yeah, huwag ka raw masyadong impulsive. You needed to take it slow. Ha? Huwag kang basta-basta gagawa ng moves mo na hindi mo pinag-iisipan muna. Okay, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? At ayun lang guys, mag-ingat po tayong lahat palagi. God bless po and good luck.